What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode. We are going to be taking everything apart. Going to be doing some pulling today. And yeah, let's get it out and get started. Look at that nice nano, nice gray color.
It look ugly right now.
So tell us what you did already. What'd you do to it already?
I'm gonna take grill out, the hood out, and pull this on the side.
Ow. How are we gonna pull it?
We'll see.
So right now we're just gonna try and get it outside, taking the hood out. Take a look around how it's looking. Not too bad condition, but y'all can see how much scratches it's got. So they're gonna need to be painted all around. Inside, not too bad. Not as bad as the front, but got a couple airbags blown, a few airbags, windshield cracked. Nice Jeep though, not too bad. All right, so we got the hood off. What are we looking at? What leaks?
The radiator, my power steering, let's see. We're gonna start.
All right, let's see it. She purrs. Dang, look at that collar. Looks so nice. Freon is there.
The radiator is good.
It looks like the radiators are good. Man, y'all can see how much it's been pushed this way. Dang. So from here, we're just gonna be taking everything apart, see what we're working with. Gonna get the drone up in the air, grab some footage, and yeah, let's get started.
Talk to me. I don't wanna let you down. I don't wanna let you down.
It's costing you, baby.
As you guys can see, we already took apart a good amount of the Jeep. Took apart hood, fenders, the side steps, all that good stuff. So right now what we're gonna do, we're gonna tie this up to the truck, and my dad's gonna hop in that Duramax and he's gonna pull, because all these radiators, you see, they're all jammed. They're all loose, but we can't pull it out. So we're gonna tie it up and just send it. That's what we gotta do when we got no frame machine. Man, why you wrecking the Jeep? It's already destroyed enough.
Oh yeah, a little bit. Yeah.
Oh yeah. Maybe try one more time. Y'all can see they did definitely loosen up. Just gonna go one more time. Oh yeah.
Good.
So y'all can see that definitely loosened up quite a bit. So now we're able to pull this out finally. It was all jammed.
I want to pull trochę, wyjechać do tyłu na budynku.
Oh yeah.
Mi trzeba hose, nie? Tam hose do dnu.
Couple hoses and we can pull this out. This was jammed. This all was jammed. We had to take apart the wheel because we were so pinched. But yeah, looking good. All right, y'all. Core support is out.
Nice.
So what is that, Tato?
So the power steering.
That's the power steering. We're gonna leave that on.
What's going on leak? Right here.
That's where it's leaking right
Yeah.
That's the power steering.
Yep.
Here we got the Audi again. So we are actually now on the hunt for a parts car for this car finally, because that Civic has indeed been sold. But man, I miss this. Miss it so much. Man, this one airbag costs like, bro, they're trying to get like $500, $600 used airbag off eBay. I can't even imagine what they are off the dealership, but hey, so I was looking for that parts car. I know many of you guys saw that straight pipe video. Here are the Akrapovich tips. Show you guys under the car. You see we took apart the muffler. So there's no muffler, there's no resonator. You get under here, just one straight pipe down to the cat. And yeah, we do still have the cat on, so no check engine light. But let's look at this color. Nardo gray color is awesome. I miss it so much. But hey, we're gonna get back at it soon. Real soon. There's that parts car again. Got the Grizzly, Yamaha, Audi. Look at this man. 52 years old. What's he about to do?
See how we live. I'm trying to keep it simple as possible. You know what I do?
All right, guys, that's pretty much it for this video. You guys see that we took apart the Jeep, took everything apart, all the good stuff. And next video, you guys will see. You guys see how bent this front frame is, so we're gonna have to cut it and weld on a new one. So stay tuned for that video. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys did enjoy the video, make sure to leave a thumbs up and subscribe. And we will see you guys in the next one. Hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you later. Peace.